Hi everyone. To access the branch, open browser, copy and paste the link and paste it. Then copy and paste the username. Paste it here. Copy the password you are giving. Paste it here. Now you can choose the language, English, French, or Arabic for the language interface and login. Go to news. To add a new article, go to add a new here. Click. You can type any title you want about your branch announcements. This is just a demo title for your news or an event. Type the title here. Now you can type or enter the news itself. For example, branch management, they are arranging for a meeting or anything else, or to compete virus corona, you are doing blah 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 blah. Type whatever you want, or you can prepare it before and just copy and paste it here. When you are finished, go to and click on save like this. Just save. Usually you have an image to be attached with this news. Choose file. This one is located on my desktop and upload. Close. If you have some updates on your news, you can go and click on edit. Fix whatever you want, update, add new lines. And click save again. When you are finished, close the screen and just log out. This control panel is multi-language. You can choose French. This is auto translator. Keep it French. Just French interface for the title, for the body, and anything else. Just close and sign out. Also for those Arabic branches, you can choose the interface to be in Arabic. الأخبار العربية. إضافة جديد. نكتب عنوان الخبر. آسف. عنوان خبر. هذا فقط عنوان للتجربة فقط. ونكتب نص الخبر، أو قد يكون جاهز منذ البداية في ملف وورد. كوبي وبيست، نسخ ولصق في هذه المساحة، وعند الانتهاء نضغط على زر الحفظ بعد قليل. مثلا في إطار اجتماع إدارة الفرع، قام السيد المدير العام مثلا بتفقد الموظفين، بتفقد كذا 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 كذا، أو في إطار محاربة فيروس كورونا تقوم الفرع بتطبيق بروتوكول الحماية. عند الانتهاء نقوم بعمل حفظ. الآن نحفظ. هنا نكبس على هذه الكبسة ونقوم بتحميل صورة الخبر Hi, if you want to change the cover image, you can click on picture choose file and choose your image and just upload. If you want to change the picture of anyone, just select your image and upload. Only GPG and GIF and PNG files. Okay, this one, and upload. Close. If you have multiple photos, you have an event with multiple pictures, more than 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures, select all of these 3, open and upload. That's it. Thank you.